Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you switch on the camera better? You are from which state, Nana? What's your name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Yajashvi.
Sorry,
My name is Yajashvi.
Yashasvi. Yashasvi, you are studying class 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Um, my name is Sukanya. I'm the educator from Sabhi Padho Padhao. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we start the class now? Which
Yes,
subject
ma'am.
shall I teach? Maths first. I'm mathematics teacher.
Okay.
Okay. How do you share the picture of your textbook? Yes, ma'am. Can you share the picture? Ask your parents which topic I should teach you now.
अरे यार क्यों कर रहा है?
You need to share me the textbook picture. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Send me the pics. I'll start taking the class for that. Tell your father or mother to send me the pics of your textbook, mathematics. Okay, tell. You know additions? How to do additions? Yes. Hello, ma'am. Hello.